This creature can die and be born again from its own body, more than once. If you love mind-blowing facts like this, hit subscribe so you don't miss our next wild discoveries. In nature, most animals get only one body, one chance, but some completely break this rule. They can regrow lost limbs, rebuild organs, and even copy themselves from a tiny piece. The most famous of these regeneration legends is the axolotl, the smiling salamander of Mexico. If an axolotl loses a leg, it simply grows a new one: nerves, muscles, bones, everything. Scientists have cut its spinal cord, damaged its heart, even removed parts of its brain, and it's still regenerated. What would be a fatal injury for us is just maintenance work for an axolotl. Because of this, axolotls are like living cheat codes for medical research. If we can decode their regeneration secrets, one day humans might regrow damaged organs too. But the axolotl is not alone. In the ocean, another master of regeneration hides in plain sight: the starfish. A starfish can lose an arm and calmly grow it back over time. Some species are even more extreme. A single arm can regrow an entire new starfish. Imagine cutting yourself and a whole new you slowly growing from that cut. Terrifying and amazing. This ability helps starfish survive attacks, escape predators, and colonize new areas. Cut it into 10, 20, even more pieces, and each piece can become a new individual. Inside their bodies are powerful stem cells that can turn into any tissue they need. They don't just rebuild muscle or skin, they rebuild eyes, brain, and nervous system from scratch. Some researchers even call starfish functionally immortal because they can keep renewing themselves. Together, axolotls and starfish show us that nature has many different paths to regeneration. One uses complex limbs and organs, and one is basically a living, self-copying puzzle. For scientists, these creatures are like 3 different blueprints for repairing the human body. If we unlock even a fraction of their powers, amputations, organ failure, and nerve damage might be treated in completely new ways. Right now, labs around the world are studying their genes, proteins, and stem cells non-stop. Every tiny discovery brings us one step closer to using regeneration in human medicine. So when you see these simple animals, remember they might hold the key to how we heal in the future. If you want to keep exploring creatures that can rewrite the rules of life, like this video, subscribe, and tell us in the comments which one amazed you the most.